Day 2 started at Double Springs Campground, and today's mission was waterfall hunting. Jocassee is home to an unusual high number of waterfalls, thanks to the hard mountain rock that feeds the rivers, and around 80 inches of rain per year. Our first stop was Devil's Hole Creek Falls. Followed by Laurel Fork Falls, considered the crown jewel of Jocassee's waterfalls. Standing about 80 feet tall, Laurel Fork actually has 3 sections. A lower falls that spills right into the lake, a middle pool perfect for swimming, and an upper section you can reach with a short hike. Yay! From there we paddled to Mills Creek Falls, where the water cascades over a sheer rock face, close enough to feel the spray from the boats. Some excitement. By the end of the day, we paddled 18 miles in 7.5 hours, the longest flatwater paddle any of us have ever done. Along the way, we stopped to swim and hike at several of the falls, making it a day we won't forget.